YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, once again, RPG Maniac. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing. As you guys can see, I have the Backbone Pro controller. My reason for buying this is because I wanted to use my phone with the controller without doing Bluetooth, and I wanted I wanted it to feel like an actual controller with a screen. So I got the Backbone Pro. So I'm going to be unboxing this today. But before we get into the unboxing, I just need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more viewers such as yourselves, and also to keep me in the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? A like is free, and it won't hurt. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clip my microphone to my shirt, of course. Right? That real quick. One second, guys. Put that right there, just so you guys can hear me nice and clearly. So, right here we go. Show y'all the detail. Let's get a close up. Right. iPhone, Android. All right. That's what the front looks like. Got some nice printing. Okay, and here's the side profile. Man, and this thing is great because it's an all-in-one controller. You could do Bluetooth, and you can dock your phone as well. So top of the box, the other side. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so now there we go. All right, so this is the controller. First, we're gonna see how far this thing stretch. All right, it's pretty decent length. All right, okay. Analogs feel pretty good. Buttons feel pretty nice. Clicky. We got some triggers. Triggers feel decent. All right. At the bottom, we have the headphone jack here. You can put the headphones in directly. We have a Bluetooth pairing button right here. USB Type-C. Right. And on the back, we have some side buttons. And these buttons can be customized as well. Right. So let's see what else we got in here. This up. Okay. And right here we have some adapters. Check that out. Okay. That. Okay, these buttons can also be customized to however you want them, which is great. So yeah. And we have something here that says play safe, play safe, safety guide. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So that's what we get in there. And yeah, um, that is my unboxing. It's not too long. Um, Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'm going to get this controller set up on my phone, and yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool, baby. Let's go. Happy gaming. RPG Maniac signing out. Don't forget to level up. And remember, you have to increase your experience if you want to fight the final boss.